Creating videos from text or simple prompts has become easier than ever, thanks to a range of innovative websites powered by artificial intelligence. These tools are transforming the way individuals and businesses create multimedia content, making professional quality videos accessible to everyone, regardless of experience or equipment. I'm Andre. Welcome to the channel. Let's explore 8 standout websites that empower you to bring your ideas to life, starting with just a few lines of text. First, we begin with Synthesia. Synthesia has quickly become a leader in AI video generation. This platform allows you to generate videos by typing in a script or prompt, which is then narrated by realistic-looking AI avatars. The service supports dozens of languages and lets users customize everything from avatar appearance to background and on-screen text. Whether you're making corporate training videos or marketing materials, Synthesia streamlines the process from idea to finished video in just minutes. Next, there's Pictory, a user-friendly website designed primarily for turning long-form content into short video snippets. With Pictory, you can input an article, blog post, or text prompt, and the platform automatically generates visually engaging videos, complete with relevant stock footage, music, and text overlays. Its intuitive editing tools also make it easy to customize your content, making Pictory a favorite among social media marketers and content creators seeking quick results. Another powerful option is InVideo. InVideo provides a flexible platform where users can create videos simply by entering text prompts or selecting from customizable templates. The tool offers a vast library of stock images, video clips, and music, along with advanced editing features. With its built-in AI, InVideo can automatically match your script with themed visuals and suggest the best layout, enhancing productivity and creativity alike. Lumen 5 stands out for its extremely simple workflow. This platform turns your text content into eye-catching videos by leveraging AI to pair sentences or paragraphs with relevant visuals and transitions. With Lumen 5, all you have to do is paste your text or URL, and the website does the rest, recommending images, selecting music, and handling timing. It's particularly useful for turning blog posts, press releases, or newsletters into engaging motion content to boost your online presence. For those seeking more advanced customization, Steve.ai may be the perfect fit. Steve.ai enables users to convert both scripts and audio files into animated videos or even talking head presentations. The AI analyzes your input, creates a storyboard, chooses appropriate animations, and syncs narration if needed. Its ability to tailor the look and feel of your video through a range of styles, from cartoon to professional, makes it a versatile option for educators, business owners, and content creators alike. Moving on, we have Veed.io. Veed.io isn't just a basic text-to-video tool. It's a comprehensive video platform that also offers advanced editing features, automatic subtitles, and more. With its text-to-video functionality, you can generate engaging videos just by supplying a prompt. The AI selects visuals, adds music, and even suggests text overlays to highlight the main points of your message. This makes it ideal for anyone looking to build explainer videos, social ads, or short animations without the learning curve. Designs.ai is another notable contender. This platform takes your written script or concept and produces a professional-looking animated video, complete with narration, music, and dynamic transitions. Using its straightforward wizard, you simply choose your video's tone, input your text, and the AI curates everything else, including matching visuals and background music, to suit your desired message and brand identity. Finally, there's Kapwing, a versatile online video editor with growing AI capabilities. Kapwing allows you to convert text prompts into story-based videos by suggesting scenes, adding subtitles, and pulling royalty-free assets from its library. The platform supports team collaboration and seamless sharing, making it a popular choice for businesses and digital storytellers looking to accelerate video content creation. I'm Andre, thanks for watching, and join us again for more money-making tips and ways to make money online. Stay blessed, guys.